absent today?
None, sir.
Very good. So, before we proceed, what should the student do when a teacher or someone is talking in front? Okay, Ms. Guzot?
We should listen carefully, sir.
Okay, very good. So, what else? Yes, Kathy?
Participate in every activity, sir.
Okay, very good. Take your seat. How about when you want to ask a question or want to raise an answer? Yes, Miss.
Raise your right hand, sir.
Yes, very good. Can I expect that from you, class?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, class, before we start our formal discussion for today, let us first have the activity called Translate Me. So, the task for the activity or the task that you will do is very simple. All you need to do is to identify and translate the symbol shown here. So, in mathematics, what will this symbol mean?
Division.
Correct. Next is
Multiplication.
another, correct. The next is
Subtraction.
can choose any letter from the alphabet. Now, let us have example number 2. Everybody, please read.
The difference of 3 and a number.
So, Mary, can you please answer number 2?
Ma'am Dan, the answer is 3 minus P.
Excellent. How about from the mathematical? How about when we translate mathematical expression into a verbal phrase? Just like the example number 3. So, 5 divided by P. What would be our verbal phrases for that? Yes, Arthur?
The quotient of a 5 and a number, ma'am.
Yes, very good. So, do you understand the, did you understand the concept, class?
Yes, ma'am.
That's right. So, for you to better understand our lesson, we will have a small group activity called Match Me Up. So, I will give you a paper where English phrase keywords are written on it. Then you will search for each other looking for similar terms. The students who hold similar key terms should stand as one group. So your task is to translate these following verbal phrases into mathematical expression. May hatag na ako din sa pikas. I will give you 1 minute to find your partner and answer. So your 1 minute starts now.
Ako na ba din? Dili ako na.
Direct group 1, group 2, 3, and 4.
Yan ang kami.
Dito, group 1.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4. Direct mo, direct. Dito ang 1.
2, 3, 4. Ang ang 4. Okay.
Okay. Let us now have the group 1. So, Mary, can you please explain your answer?
So our the given problem of verbal phrase is twice x divided by 2. So our answer is 3x minus
Yes, very good. Group 2.
So our problem is 1/2 of the sum of 5 and 3. So our answer is 1/2 times 5 plus 3. This means that 5 and 3 are added first and their sum is multiplied by 1/2.
Okay, very good. Group 2, 3.
So,
Our
our
problem
is
is a squared plus b squared.
So the answer for that is the square of the sum of A and B.
Very good. So, group 4.
So our problem is the square of A and B. So our answer is quantity of A plus B squared.
Yes, thank you so much. So, you may now take
Thank
your
you,
seats.
ma'am.
Okay, na.
Before we proceed to our next activity, I have prepared a 3 questions that you'll need to answer.
equals to 9/5 C plus 32, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. So for the second question, I call on Mr. Kabay to answer.
The answer of the question is 9/5 C plus 20.
Thank you. For the third question, may I call AP representative for the group 3? Yes, Miss Celeste.
C is equals to 5/9 times the quantity of F minus 32.
Thank you. So in group 4, may I have some AP representative? Yes, Miss Elizar.
So the verbal transmission of the formula for the volume of the square is 4/3 of the product of pi and the square of radius.
Thank you. So, one clap if you understand our activity. Thank you.
Today, let's have another activity. So please prepare one half sheet of paper. Yes.
Sir, you can put it right there na.
So you're going to do is match column A to column B. So I give you 3 minutes to answer that question.
Second answer, sir.
Yes. So are you done, class?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
So please pass your paper in blank. So now, in your assignment, in a one sheet of paper, express how you feel about working with translating a verbal phrase into mathematical expressions and vice versa by drawing. So, no words, drew a picture only. So, that's all today. Any questions and clarification?
No, sir.
So, if none, class dismissed.
Goodbye.